Are you looking for this level of security to protect your home and family? Hi, I'm Chris, owner of Ornamental Security. Why should you choose us for your home security needs? Since 1992, we have been Atlanta's go-to security company. We specialize in physical security solutions that are custom built for your home, designed and crafted to blend in, yet more than strong enough to stop burglars and intruders in their tracks. Physical security for your home no longer has to be ugly or unattractive to your neighbors. All of our products are handcrafted in our shop to fit your home perfectly and painted to match your color scheme, so maximum security never means sacrificing style. Our comprehensive lineup includes clear security doors and windows with unbreakable shatterproof glass, stainless steel security screens for doors and windows that are much stronger than the aluminum mass-produced competition, invisible burglar bars that are designed to look like they are a part of your window, emergency release window guards for fire safety, several door reinforcement methods if adding a security door to your home is not an option. We also offer a full range of storefront and commercial security products that are designed to keep your store attractive while keeping your hard-earned inventory safe. You know, a lot of people feel the illusion of safety with cameras and alarm systems, but what do they really do? The bottom line is, they only alert you after someone has attempted to come in. True security comes from physical barriers that keep threats on the outside, giving you the critical reaction time you need to get to a weapon, call the police, and protect your family. That's our mission at Ornamental Security. Stop break-ins before they happen and give you real peace of mind. If you're ready to take your home security seriously with the best security solutions in Atlanta, contact us today. We're here to protect what matters most.